Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tag On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to find someone's phone number from Instagram account. Friends, to find someone's mobile number from Instagram account, it's an easy process. So for this, you have to go on the Instagram. Then my friends, you have to tap on the bottom. Then you have to tap on the search options. Then tap on the search again and write the name of the account from which account you want to find the phone number. Set right, then tap on the name and see my friends, there is the contact, right? Just tap on the contact and see here is the mobile number, right? So my friends, like this before, and easily you can find the mobile number or the phone number from Instagram account. Friends, to find phone number from Instagram account, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give you answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.